Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram post and change Instagram password in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you have to go to your profile. If you want to delete your post, then you have to select your post. You'll find here 3 dots. Press on it. Now you can see here delete option. Tap on it and press on delete. So this is how your post will be deleted. Now if you want to change your password, then go to profile. Here you can see a settings icon. You have to press on this. Now go to settings and privacy. Now go for account center. Now you have to select your password and security. Now go to change password. Here you have to select your Instagram ID. Go for it. Now here if you want to change your password, then you have to put your current password, then you have to put your new password and retype your new password. After typing all of these things, you have to press on change password. That's it. So this is how you can delete your post and change your password on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.